In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Midjourney word weight in your AI art prompts. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Midjourney. This is the quickest way to reach the official site. From the results page, click the official Midjourney website. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log in so you can access the prompt area or the Explore page where you can try prompts and review results. Now let's talk about word weight, because that's the secret sauce. Word weight tells Midjourney which parts of your prompt matter most. You add weight using a double colon, like this: word at number. By default, words have a weight of 1. Numbers higher than 1 make the concept more important. Numbers below 1 make it less important. A practical range is usually between 0.5 and 5 for balanced, predictable results. Here's a sample prompt you can try. Aliens. 5. Walking the city streets with UFOs. 3 in the sky among skyscrapers. 1 and a yellow. 1 bus. No building skyscrapers. In this example, aliens gets the strongest emphasis at 5, UFOs are also emphasized at 3, and skyscrapers and yellow bus sit at the default level of 1. Notice the use of no to exclude elements. Adding no building skyscrapers tells Midjourney to avoid those, even if they appear earlier in the prompt. If something seems contradictory, the model will try to reconcile it, and the no directive often wins, so use it thoughtfully. Before generating, make sure you're using the latest model version. Switch the model to version 6 if available. Version 6 offers improved language understanding and tends to honor word weights more reliably. You can usually find this in the Model or Settings menu near the prompt box. If you don't see the option, make sure you're on the official site and signed in. When your prompt is ready and your model is set, click Submit. Give it a moment to process. As the images arrive, evaluate how well the weights worked. If the aliens don't stand out enough, increase their weight slightly. If the yellow bus is pulling too much focus, reduce its weight or strengthen other elements. If unwanted details still appear, refine the no list to keep the composition clean. That's it. With a clear prompt, sensible weights, and version 6 selected, you'll have precise control over what Midjourney prioritizes. Experiment within small increments, and you'll quickly dial in the exact look you're after.